Welcome to the month of July here at Lichtsinn RV, where we literally are only 1 mile north of the Winnebago motorized coach division of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. We have a lot of great events occurring during the month of July, as nearly 1,700 of Winnebago's most loyal owners descend upon Forest City, Iowa for our Grand National Rally. Find out why people fly in from all over the world and descend upon Forest City, Iowa to do business with us here at Lichtsinn RV. New RVs built here in Forest City have no delivery miles on them. We don't use delivery services during that crucial engine break-in period, so you have a factory fresh RV in which you can be the first one protecting that new powertrain investment, eating that first meal in your RV, and sleeping that first night in your factory fresh RV. At delivery, take advantage of our half-day educational orientation in which one of our master RVDA certified technicians will walk you through the coach in a scripted format, showing you what to do, what not to do. We cover maintenance and we cover warranty. That really serves two purposes. One, it allows you to become 100% knowledgeable on that RV, and it allows you to thoroughly inspect that RV prior to doing your financial close. There are no additional fees for doing business with Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa. We do assist you in that titling process, and we can help you with your out-of-state title work. Post-delivery, we will follow up with you. We utilize technology throughout our sales, our parts, and our service so that we can actually maintain that relationship, and you have a full team of support while on the road, in which you have your sales consultant, a manager, a parts consultant, and a service consultant all on your team after the sale. But don't just take our word for it. Check out our independent reviews on Facebook and Google, where we actually average 4.9 and 4.7 across hundreds of reviews of people that have done business here at Lichtsinn RV. To learn more about what makes us unique here at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV, Forest City, Iowa. I just want to take a moment to touch base on our summer sale program that we have going on now through July 31st. We have a handful of coaches that include the View 24V floor plan. That's the rear twin bed setup. Also on the View Navion lineup, we have the 24K. That would be from the 2011 time frame. That's the rear bathroom, sofa dinette layout. Also on the Sprinters, we have the Class A version, which would be the Via 25Q and the 25T. So a wide selection in there. All those are very fuel efficient. And then to round out the Sprinter Mercedes platform, we do have a pre-owned Era 70C, which is a 2015, and that does incorporate a slide out. The last B van that we would have would be a 59K, that is the Travato. And then last but not least, a brand new Trend 23D. So again, these are part of our summer sale program, which will end July 31st. Any questions, please contact one of our sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV.
And that's an overview of the month of July at Lichtsinn RV. So whether we'll be seeing you at the Winnebago Rally, or if you're out on the road traveling, we wish you safe travels for the month of July.